This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are at the Green Energy Fair in Zagreb, and this is going to be the third and last car I do a quick first impression of. It's the Geely EX5. Will it come to Norway or the rest of Europe? I'm not sure yet, but we'll check it out anyway. So let's start in the back. Oh, I need to get this out of the way. All right. So here in the back, EX5, open the trunk. Okay, there's fine. There is actually something here in the trunk, some signs. Well, quite big pocket here. Wow, nice. Subwoofer on this side, and then here, let me see. Wow, you open up the lid here, and you have plenty of space. You can also lower the lid, but deep, big well in the back here. Wow, that is very impressive. Put this back there, and then check out the back seat. Wait, I did press it, didn't I? Oh, there. Okay, that delay though when you press something until it is that a Geely thing? Okay, here in the back we have actually okay space. Wait, there's some music. I had to stop that. Okay, music is off. Sounds like the bass was quite nice and deep. We have, oh nice, lids that stays there when you open it. Hey, this seems like we have reclined the seats. Let's check here. Do we have any seat reclining? Okay, it seems to be manual. Okay, there. Now it's slightly higher. And then you can go more laid back. Let me check here. You can put the feet under the, wow, front seat, plenty of space. And then here, wow, we have actually very good seat height. And then what about height here? It's actually okay. There is a sunroof you can open here. Let me check the middle seat. Wow, you can just lay down here. So very nice and laid back position. But I can see that the sunroof here, maybe not that easy. I have to close the door to see, but it's always challenging in light conditions. It doesn't extend all the way out here, but it's still fairly good. Yeah, okay, and then what about materials? Nice and soft, right? Front seat, maybe not the sportiest, but perforated. Electric adjustment there. Knob for adjusting mirrors. Some ambient light. Wait, let me check something. Does it have soft close? No, okay. Okay, it doesn't have fly me sound. Instrument cluster here. A relatively big screen. This is the volume knob. Okay, interesting. It kind of resembles the Seeker 7X screen, maybe a little bit smaller. Cup holder there. Wait, where's the wireless charging? Okay, here. Wireless charging pads. Center console there. We have the bridge design. Plenty of space under there. It looks and feels nice. The seats feel nice. Ambient light there. Try to open the sunroof. I'm not sure how it's done. Oh, sorry. I think it's done in the screen. Okay, whatever. I'm not going to fiddle too much with it. Check headroom. It seems to be a decent car. And also actually spacious. But under the hood, man, the hood is really heavy because there are no supporting struts for helping pushing it up. So, but here, just a normal engine bay. Unfortunately, no frunk, anything. But I will just look for the regular, yeah, here. So the washer fluid is refilled here. But there's some empty spot here, but I'm not sure if this is suitable for making an aftermarket frunk. You can make a tiny one and put your man purse in there, and that's pretty much it. There you guys have it, the Geely EX5. As far as I know, the Geely brand does not exist in Norway. So, but at least we got a first impression, what it looks like. It looks like okay, but for example, the Seeker 7X seems to be a lot more premium in the materials, in the finish, everything. So, but it's still pretty good. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.